Ma'am, what is your name? What is the name of your organization? And we want to know how has your journey been in the Indian apparel industry?
Okay, so hi, my name is Moksha Vora and I'm the third generation of UTEX, and our company's name is Unity Traders and our brand name is UTEX, and we manufacture boys bottoms since 1972. It's been an amazing journey and exhilarating one because we've had about 50 years in this business and we're still growing, and India is such an amazing place as a market, and it has a lot of scope as well. So yes, we are exploring that.
What makes your product stand out in the current market?
The quality, because we do not compromise at all with our materials. It's always premium, and we've always played in that particular segment only. So it's top notch in terms of its materials, in terms of fittings, in terms of the accessories that we use. So it's all premium and top notch.
What is the fabric generally that you prefer?
So since we manufacture boys bottoms, it has to have cotton, of course, and we have started using RFD. So we've created cargos, and our cargos have been the best since the last 20 years. Everyone knows that cargo is equivalent to UTEX. So the materials that we use, we have certain suppliers, and their material, of course, it's imported as well as we create it here. So it's Indian as well as imported, but overall, everything is made in India, and we're proudly Indian.
So where are you present currently, and what's your expansion plan?
So basically we are pan-India, and we of course wish to export in future. However, currently we're planning to tap every state of India and every best counter which is present in India, of course. So, yeah.
Is this the first time that you are part of this particular exhibition, or your company has been participating?
So we are a lifetime member at CMAI. My father is the joint treasurer of this organization, and we've been taking part since many years. So yeah.
So what's your expectation this year from this particular event?
Of course, we do have a lot of expectations, and we always hope everything is satisfactory and amazing till now. However, the day one was amazing. We started off with some really amazing parties here, and we are enjoying it. So yeah, definitely.
What is that new thing that you have brought in this year?
So again, last season we introduced UTEX cord sets, and this year again we're back with a bang with cargos.
Lovely.
So 60840, which is our trending item, and people are loving it, including the jackets as well as the boys bottoms, and such cargos you'll not get anywhere else in India. I'm damn sure about it.
So you said you are in business since 1972, right?
Yes.
How has the market changed for, especially for kids wear, since you're into that line of business? How has that changed? How has it changed over a period of time?
Yes, of course. See, fashion is such a thing that keeps changing. We need to keep evolving, and since fast fashion is coming in, of course, we have to evolve every year, every season. We give our best. So my grandfather started the company in 1972, and we started with socks. And since then, we've started making T-shirts, and then we eventually came into bottoms, and we're ruling it since then. So first we started off with, again, cargos, basic shorts, and then things started evolving. Better and bigger businesses came up. Branded businesses came up, but it did not harm. It of course, somewhere down the line, it of course impacts the industry overall. But of course, there is scope of improvement for us, for entire India, since everything is coming up. there is a lot of things that will come up, and we'll ensure that we cope with it.
Amazing, amazing. Your journey seems very interesting. Ma'am, can we just go through your...
Okay, so when it comes to Indian apparel, I've been, when I was really young, Dad used to get these magazines at home, and I used to read them. And since it has gone digital, of course, the blogs are amazing in terms of visibility, and of course in terms of a better reach. So my expectation from the Indian apparel is visibility, of course, in terms of blogs, in terms of articles, in terms of interviews, in terms of what trending things are happening in the industry. All of those things, if I could get a glimpse into it, of course it'll help me deciding the next season as well, the samples for the next season.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.